can do it now. On this episode of Doorbell News.
Hey, yo, what's up? Sunny D. Hey, yo, it's me, Wario.
Chicken shake.
Who is it?
Chicken shake with kids.
Get away from my door.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
San Diego, California. Looks like he's trying to jimmy his way inside somebody's house.
You can ayude. Help me.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Las Vegas, Nevada. Looks like somebody bumped into this lady's car and drove off. Hopefully they catch that guy.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Hey, 486 Forest right there at my house. My car just got hit.
Grapevine, Texas. Better keep those doors locked. Him in California. Check her out.
Hello?
Queens, New York. You're not gonna believe what happens in this clip. Brooklyn, New York.
Oh man, where is he?
I Spy, Pennsylvania.
I called the cops. Oh, you're running now? You're running now, aren't you? Yep. I got to my He's heading towards the club.
So this Amazon delivery lady appears to be taking people's packages after she delivers them. Las Vegas, Nevada. Check out this trick-or-treater. Tacoma, Washington. Better make sure those doors are locked and secured. Detroit, Michigan. We got another trick-or-treater here.
You can take.
Who is it?
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat with kids.
Get away from my door. Go get my gun.
Trick or treat with
Go
kids.
get my gun. Hold on. I got something for you. Hold on.
Don't
Yeah.
shoot.
Go get my gun. Get the fuck away from my door.
Yeah. Get lost!
Don't shoot. I want some candy.
Get the fuck away from my door.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot. I got candy for kids.
Meanwhile, in Brooklyn, instant karma comes back to haunt this porch pirate. Queens, New York. Yeah, better secure those packages. It's porch pirate season. Long Beach, California. A food delivery worker gets frightened by a Halloween decoration. Let's see what happens.
Oh, shit! Woo! Bro, hold on. Let me tell you something real quick. Yo, this thing just scared the hell out of me. It got me too. Yo, you might got me on the ring cam.
Las Vegas, Nevada.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, yo, what's up? Sunny D. Hey, yo, it's me, Wario. I was looking for Luigi. It's about Princess Peach. Princess Peaches. Let her know that she needs to get a hold of me ASAP. On the double, huh? Chop chop. Capiche? Forget about it. King Jason.
Get lost! We got another trick-or-treater here. Check her out.
Can I help you?
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Excuse me?
New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Excuse me.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.